In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create vertical dividers in Notion. If you've ever wanted to visually separate content into clean side-by-side sections, this is a simple workaround that creates the effect of a vertical divider. Notion doesn't currently have a dedicated vertical divider block, but the method we're using is easy, effective, and commonly used. Start by opening the Notion page where you want the vertical divider to appear. This can be an existing page you're already working on or a brand new one. Once you're on the page, decide roughly where you want your divided layout to go. Next, create multiple columns. To do that, click and drag one block to the right side of another block. As you drag, watch for the blue vertical guide to appear. That guide shows you where the new column will be placed. When you release the block, Notion will create a side-by-side column layout. After that, create a narrow middle column. The goal here is to have a left content column, a very slim center column, and a right content column. This middle column is what will hold the divider effect, so keep in mind that it should stay much narrower than the other two. Now, in that middle column, add a quote block, type /quote, then press enter. Notion will insert the quote block into that center space. This works because the quote block has a visible vertical border, which gives us the divider look. Once the quote block appears, remove any text inside it. You want the block to stay empty, so only the border remains visible. That way, it looks more like a divider and less like a text element. To make the divider taller, press Shift and Enter several times inside the quote block. Each line break increases the height of the block without creating a new separate block. Keep going until the divider reaches the height you want. This is especially useful if the content in your left and right columns is fairly long. Then adjust the column widths. Resize the middle column so it becomes very narrow. The thinner it is, the more natural the divider effect will look. You can also fine-tune the left and right columns so your content has enough space on both sides. Now add your content to the left and right columns. This could be text, lists, images, or any other blocks you want to organize side by side. Finally, review the layout. You should now see the quote block border acting as a vertical divider between your columns. It's a neat and practical way to improve visual structure in Notion. Thanks for watching.